this video, we will go through an example of k-means clustering using Euclidean distance. It is used for clustering, which means it groups similar data points together into clusters. It's helpful when you want to find patterns or structure in your data without knowing them beforehand. Let's start with this question. Calculate the distance between each point and each cluster using Euclidean distance formula. If the three cluster centers aren't chosen, you can choose the first three randomly. We mean these centers. If they are not chosen, choose any of them randomly. We will be using this formula. After creating a table like this, here x2 and y2 goes to the column and x1, y1 for the row, for the cluster points. We will calculate them like the formula x2 minus x1 plus y2 minus y1. Here in point belongs, we will choose the smallest number. Here we have c1 is the smallest number because it's 0. So it's here after completing the entire table with the same method. Also, in A7, x1 is greater than x2. So we'll put it before, like it's not the same not the same as the formula. We'll put the greater number first to get a positive number. Now, calculating the second iteration, we do this by replacing the three cluster point with a new one. First, let's start with C2. We will take sum of the x and then for the y. Taking the sum of x, then divide them with the point number. Here they are 5. We will do the same with the y and we will get the new cluster point. This one will be replaced with the new C2. Here C1 only have 1 point, so we'll divide it by 1 and get the same point, so it's not changing. For C3, we will calculate it with the same method and get the new point. Here we will replace the cluster row with our new point and continue calculating with the same formula. Sometimes you will be asked for 3 or 4 iteration depending on the question itself. To help us continuing, don't forget to subscribe and like this video.